325 members. This includes the family ministries. The whole province is divided into 6 sectors. And each sector right now has 3 clusters. Ideally, it should not be less than 4. But since we are trying to fast-track our evangelization, and as you very well know, yung trust natin is doubling. So starting last May, June onwards, everybody in Misamis Oriental is busy for the evangelization. Now, in Misamis Oriental, we have about 6 cornerstone programs for the year 2014. But we said that there is a need to fast-track this program so that more people, especially those indigent who are very qualified but do not have the means to education, we said that we will double the number 6 cornerstone to 12. 12 cornerstone. And so far, I believe in Mindanao, in all humility, Misamis Oriental has the most number of cornerstone. We praise God for that. Palakpakan natin. And you might be wondering, where are the funds coming to sustain this big community with all the Christian life programs going on, the programs of the family ministries, as well as the building the church of the poor. And most of the funds to support these programs are internally generated, and it is coming from the generosity of the members as well as the leaders. What's beautiful about Cagayan de Oro is when you give direction to the members of the community, immediately they follow. There are some questions, but once these questions are answered, then everybody starts moving. So that in our program, we have this first fruit, which I believe all of us in CFC are familiar. No? And we usually have this at the start of the year. We call this first fruit. And we invite all the members to come in one big place. We have a mass to start the first fruit program. And then after that, we give a talk on financial stewardship. And after that, all members are asked to stand up and start contributing their first fruit. And you know what, brothers and sisters? Our first fruit for this year, 2014, last January, reached about 1.7 million. And a day after that, since there was a need for us to cover a program or a project of the community in Misamis Oriental, one generous family committed 500,000 to fund that project. I am saying this, brothers and sisters, if activities like this where we need to generate funds, what is really important is to make everybody understand why are we having this program, where will we apply the proceeds of this program, and given that kind of information and clarification, and starting from the leaders down to the members, then we expect that everybody will support and will give whatever they can. And this is not only this year, the 1.7, but in previous years, yung aming mga first fruit, nag-umpisa yung 1.2, 1.5, 1.6, tumataas ulit. And perhaps it's because of the belief of the members of our community. And they experience that as they give more, they are more blessed. That's why every time I go to the center, nagtataka ako kasi dumadami yung mga bagong sasakyan. And that is how God blesses
They're
those
wondering that
who are
every time they go
really
to the center,
generous.
there are more cars.
We all believe that God cannot be outdone in generosity. I believe the gospel 1 or 2 days ago, the first reading, the readings in the gospel says St. Paul to the Corinthians, whatever you sow, you reap. No? So if you sow small, then do not expect to get more. But if you sow more, bigger, then God cannot be outdone in His generosity. So yun ang paniwala namin sa Misamis Oriental. And I think all of us have that kind of belief. We need only to be consistent. We need only to truly abide by what we believe. Sa Misamis Oriental kasi po, hindi lang yung mga members nakikinig. Pagkatapos ng pakinig, lumalabas dito sa kabilang tenga. But in Misamis Oriental, with all modesty, pag sinabihan namin yung mga
With the
members,
leader,
starting
the leader
with the
saying
leaders,
something,
everybody contributes.
they are
And
following instructions.
that's how we
Some people,
encourage,
they
that's
intervene
how
and go out
we build relationship
in all humility.
with one another.
They
And there is
follow
one
their
thing that we
leaders.
would like to acknowledge tonight, perhaps honor our past provincial area head. Yung past provincial area head natin is the father of people, Joey. Whenever
Then
he
to
is
the
in Cagayan de
state
Oro,
means we just like that.
he always spend time with leaders. He talks to us, and most of the time he
In
listens.
Batangas.
Si Joey is a man of a few words, but his words are full of wisdom. Si Joey is very friendly, very accommodating, very easy to approach, but he never compromises between what is good and what is right. And because of that, he won our trust and respect. That's why when we heard that he passed away sometime in March 27, we felt sad about it. And even now, we miss his presence. And so I think our leaders also did help a lot to make CFC Cagayan de Oro or Misamis Oriental where we are here right now. So I'd like to end this sharing by reminding us all leaders. Because yung condition ng ating household, chapter, cluster, will depend on how good we are leaders. If leaders are weak, if leaders are not studying, if leaders are not walking the talk, not living out what they are saying, we cannot expect our members to follow. I believe this is one lesson that is important for us. I understand that this is a group of leaders. And as leaders, if we want our vision, our work to prosper, as God has planned it for all of us, we really need to put our heart. We need to put our heart. We need to walk the talk. And as our leaders sees this in us, then we can be assured that the work of God in any area will prosper and succeed. One thing, brothers and sisters, in all our work, in all our accomplishment, God should be in the center of this. Not me, not you, not anybody. It's always God. And everything that we do in Couples for Christ, big or small, it should connect us to God. It should point to God. And the glory should always be para sa Kanya. And if that is our attitude and that is how we look at our work in CFC, brothers and sisters, Central A, Sector Central A, will be very ahead of the other sectors. Sa ating lahat, magandang gabi, magandang buhay. Salamat.